Hey, summer is here. Are you ready to make it exciting and super productive? What if you could spend just 3 to 4 hours a day learning the coolest IT skills while having fun? Welcome to 𝐵IT's Summer IT Bootcamp, an exciting journey where you get to explore, create, and build amazing things. Imagine designing your own video games, building apps and websites from scratch, or even training AI to create smart bots. Ever wanted to learn ethical hacking and think like a tech ninja? Or maybe you love creativity. So why not master graphic design, animation, and video editing? This is your chance to do it all with hands-on projects, expert mentors, and a certification that sets you apart. And guess what? You're getting a premium course at an unbelievable offer. Plus, you can start learning at just 4,999 rupee per month with easy EMI options. Pay less, learn more. Don't let this vacation slip away. Make it count with 𝐵IT. Limited seats available. Visit our website or call us to enroll now.